Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the payout pending on Gumroad in 2026. Is your payout stuck on pending in Gumroad? In today's video, I'll explain why that's happened and what you can do about it. So let's know the reasons and let's follow the steps to fix this issue. The first reason is the standard holding period. Gumroad may hold funds for a processing period before releasing payouts. So this is the first reason. Second reason is the account review. New sellers sometimes experience temporary review delays. Also, tax or identity verifications are missing because incomplete tax forms can pause payouts. So, you're gonna go to the settings by scrolling down in the left sidebar here, and you're gonna go to the payments or the tax settings. Let's look for the tax settings and see if they work. You're gonna scroll all the way down in the payment section and look for the tax settings, or you can click on advanced and search for the tax settings. Now, once you find the tax settings, confirm everything is complete. The fourth reason is the refund or dispute risk. Now, high refund rates can delay payouts. So, what you can do is confirm all verification steps and monitor your payout schedule. Also, avoid sudden spikes in suspicious transactions. And make sure to build consistent sales history to reduce future payout delays. No payout pendings is often part of normal review process. So just make sure your account is fully verified, and that's it. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.